Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start now, back up your saves and mods folders to a separate location so you can always revert. Next, confirm Blade and Sorcery and any mod loader are the same version. Mismatches often break save loading. Once backed up, launch the game without mods by renaming the mods folder. This isolates vanilla loading. You do this because mods can inject incompatible data into save files. Removing them narrows down the cause and prevents further corruption while you diagnose. With mods disabled, inspect the save files. Open metadata with a JSON or text viewer and look for obvious corruption or missing fields. If a save looks malformed, restore its counterpart from your backup and preserve timestamps to avoid cloud conflicts. Try loading older incremental backups to find the latest working point. Doing so tells you when corruption began. Make sure to test after each restore so you know exactly which file fixes the problem. And note any mod that was active at that time. Once a working save is identified, re-enable mods progressively. Add one mod, launch, and load the save to catch the offender. If loading fails unexpectedly, clear the game cache and run file verification through Steam or your platform. This repairs missing or bad core files. Make sure Cloud Sync remains off while testing to prevent remote overwrites. If everything still fails, revert to the known good backup and report the problematic mod with its log files. This helps create a permanent fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.